Good morning, you guys. Hi, look who I found today, huh? Hi, Papa. How you doing, baby boy? Wow. I already fed them because I have to go to work today. Hi, handsome. Hi, handsome. Yeah, hi, handsome. And I have Miss Thang over here grooming herself. Hi. What you doing? So I already fed these little furry children. Hi, Papa. I already fed these little furry children, and I'm gonna be heading to go to work in a few minutes. And yeah, so that's what's going on. I don't know where they were yesterday when it was raining, but we had rain yesterday. It was hard rain last night, but not much. I gotta clean out here when I get home. Hi, Papa. Hey, double boy. Hey, double boy. Hi, handsome. Hey, no me grites. So yeah. Hi, baby girl. Woo. I don't know. Oh, there's the other one. The other one's over here. He's eating. Hi, handsome. Hi, Papa. Hey. What? Just because I'm giving him attention. Hi. Hi, baby boy. This one seems to be skittish, but then when he's hungry. He's gonna want food. And if he doesn't get his way, he starts whining like him. Huh? Huh? What? I already fed you. I already fed you. Hey, what are you doing? Why are you licking that? Don't lick that. That's nasty. That's nasty. That's nasty. Okay, so cats are saying good morning, and I'm saying good morning, and I will let everybody go, and I'll see you later. On my chest. Yes. Bye, beautiful. You guys all have a good Sunday. Bye.